Welcome to Vlogmas day 23, and we have 2 more days until the 25th of December, which is Christmas Day, baby. I say those sleigh bells jingling, something something tingling too. Today I want to give you a recap of what it's like to do laundry in the Caribbean. Let's jump right into this video and then I'll give you a little chit chat later on. So let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started in ha. Hoo in here. Hoo in ha. Hi friends and family. I just want to wish you a Merry Christmas and eventually a Happy New Year. I hope you get everything together, like your goals, your dreams, your wishes, and everything your heart desires. I'm just gonna wash my clothes. Time for me to hang up. Now that you watched my little shindig, I thought it was really funny because growing up I used to do laundry with my grandma in Antigua. We used to do laundry all the time. We would have pins on pins on pins on the line just hanging up clothes, and this laundry I did was a small load, but usually I do at least 2 loads. So I am very impressed with the fact that I carried on these traditions everywhere I go. So usually when I travel for tennis or for leisure, I will wash a few items. I had these little videos of me doing laundry in Egypt. Like, what are the odds? Hanging up the line in between the trees and all that. It was something to see. Usually every Christmas I'm in Grenada, but this Christmas I will be with my beloved family, which I'm very excited. I have not yet bought them or wrapped them or done anything. I'll probably do that tomorrow or Christmas Day. Super behind time, but don't worry, we not worried over here. We don't fret and we don't worry over here because we get things done. I definitely want to do a 2022 video on your goals and your New Year's resolutions. A lot of people love to do that, love to write these little boards and all these kinds of stuff. I don't necessarily like to do that. I like to write it down on my paper, have my goal, have a deadline, have what I want, have what I need, and just get it going like that. I wish you well for the new year. I wish you well for Christmas, and I hope and pray and trust that you have a wonderful Christmas day. Don't stress. This is the last 2 days. We are down to 2 more days till Christmas. Don't stress. I myself can be a little tense at times, but I will pray and really rest and drink lots of water and take my vitamins to see to it that I am back on track. So you do the same. See you again tomorrow, a different time every day.